KGC International Skill Center is a state-of-the-art training center for learning welding skills where individuals come to get chiseled to perfection. Today, India is one of the most preferred destinations for multinational corporations to set up their manufacturing facilities. The government has been consistently improving the country's infrastructure to make the environment conducive for foreign investments in setting up manufacturing plants. Presently, we see the presence of large multinational corporations from various industry sectors who have set up their manufacturing facilities in India, such as General Electric, JCB, John Deere, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and many more are on their way. Welding is one of the most critical and important functions in the manufacturing industry. Be it in ships, bridges, buildings, processing plants, automobiles, aircraft, spacecrafts, missiles or human implant, welding plays a very important role. Today, there is an enormous shortage of welding specialists and welders throughout India as well as abroad. KGC International Skill Center was formally established in 2014 with an objective to bridge the gap between the industry demand and the skills available, with a vision to empower individuals by providing them with formal training and upgrading their skills to international standards.
Welding is one of the most critical aspects of the manufacturing industry. The demand for skilled welders is only going to rise in India and abroad.
Training courses include a mix of classroom theories and intensive practical classes delivered by experienced and certified trainers who come from an industry background with hands-on welding experience. KGC faculty includes renowned welding experts and industry veterans from a wide range of industry sectors. The KGC campus includes a state-of-the-art training facility which includes advanced level welding simulator training, a large welding or demonstration booth with well-designed fixtures to enable welding in various positions secured with the necessary safety features, spacious teaching rooms with modern presentation equipment, with close proximity to accommodations in the city and, at the same time, being in the center of bustling industrial hub, KGC is the most preferred destination for skills training. Our customized training programs are designed to provide training and upskilling of the employed workforce of large and small organizations.
In the welding sector especially, most of the welders that you see in the manufacturing industry have become welders through informal training. What we mean by this is these individuals have joined the company as a helper, and if given an opportunity and if they are lucky, they would get trained by an existing welder from the company. The transition phase for this helper to become a welder would be anything between 2 to 3 years. At KGC, what we try to do is to cut down this period to 3 months with formal training programs. Our training programs are well designed with in-depth theory and rigorous skills training. KGC has a wide connectivity with the industry, and as such we assure 100% placement assistance for all the individuals who get trained at KGC.
KGC has successfully trained, certified and placed candidates in the industry in India and abroad.
My name is Sarwaz Khan. I have been training here in KGC Skill Center from last 3 months in Pune. This is sponsored by our G Transportation team, and we have been trained here in 3 major processes of welding, that is GMAW, SMAW and FCAW. And the KGC trainers and the team is very helpful. They have provided us with all the PPEs that for a safety purpose.
जब मैं 3 महीना पहले यहाँ पे आया था तो बिल्कुल ही अनजान था। वेल्डिंग मुझे कैसे करना है, किस तरह से करना था, मैं बिल्कुल ही अनजान था। लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद अभी मुझे वेल्डिंग में स्किल मिला है कि अब मैं अच्छी तरह से जाकर वेल्डिंग को परफॉर्म कर सकता हूँ। ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही गौरव वाली बात है, और वेल्डिंग का वर्क हम अपने लिए और अपने कंपनी के लिए विशेष रूप से योगदान हमारा अच्छा रहेगा। अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट अगर सीखने के लिए उत्साहित है तो यहाँ KGC स्कूल सेंटर में आके आप वेल्डिंग का प्रशिक्षण ले सकते हैं। वेल्डिंग का प्रशिक्षण लेने से आप रोज़गार भी मिलेगी, साथ में आपको स्किल बहुत ही अच्छी मिलेगी। ये आपके लिए सुनहरा अवसर प्रदान कर सकती है।
Our aim is to provide training and develop marketable skills in individuals, thus providing the industry with skilled workforce and, at the same time, create high-income career opportunities for these individuals. The Skill Center is a part of KGC Engineering Projects Private Limited. The group was established in 1975 and has an extensive experience of over 4 decades in the heavy fabrication industry. With international accreditation such as ASME and approvals from renowned international EPCs and end users in the oil and gas sectors, KGC training programs have developed over the years.
With decades of experience in the manufacturing industry, we thought it was about time to put our expertise and experience to the right use by training individuals, unskilled youth, and provide them with employment.
गुजरातमध्ये बसलेल्या सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल यांच्या स्मारकामधील एंट्रन्सचे काम KGC प्रोजेक्ट इथे सुरू आहे आणि तिथे मी स्किल टिक वेल्डर म्हणून काम करीत आहे। मला KGC स्किल सेंटर मध्ये शिकलेला अभिमान आहे।
आमच्या ट्रेनिंग सेंटरमध्ये SMAW, GMAW, FCAW तसेच टिक वेल्डिंगचे स्किल ट्रेनिंग 80% प्रॅक्टिकल व 20% वेल्डिंग टेक्नॉलॉजीचे थेरॉटिकल नॉलेज दिले जाते। आमचे प्रोग्राम बेसिक, ॲडव्हान्स आणि कस्टमाइज या 3 प्रकारामध्ये विभागले आहेत। बेसिक नवोदितांसाठी बेसिक प्रोग्राम तसेच कंपनीमध्ये ऑलरेडी काम करणाऱ्या लोकांसाठी ॲडव्हान्स वेल्डिंग प्रोग्राम आणि इंडस्ट्रीच्या रिक्वायरमेंट प्रमाणे कस्टमाइज प्रोग्राम आम्ही डिझाइन करून त्याप्रमाणे ट्रेनिंग देतो।
KGC has taken the momentous task of training women for the manufacturing industry. We believe that an active inclusion of the women in the manufacturing industry will be of great help for the nation building. At KGC, we regularly conduct counseling events to create an awareness and provide information to the women about the welding industry and the jobs and the possibilities of creating a livelihood through acquiring skills. The differentiator between KGC International Skill Center is its connectivity with the industry. Thus, it ensures that every individual who is trained at KGC International Skill Center gets placed in the quickest possible time upon completion of his course. Our mission is to go to rural India and provide skilling and create employment opportunities for the youths in India and abroad.
These programs are delivered to achieve and maintain the quality desired in the global market. Our knowledge and awareness programs are aimed to equip young graduates with knowledge, information, and on-the-job training experience, thus enhancing their opportunities to secure employment. These programs are also ideal for the existing workforce of a company to increase and update their understanding in welding technology, international codes of construction, and non-destructive techniques.
We believe in our government's vision and shall strive hard to make sure that India is the skill capital of the world. Make in India, skill India, be a self-reliant India.